Hi and welcome. This is Jacob. Should be a beginner tutorial. We will do this part, and it's good repetition for me too, because I have been working with Excel for the last 2 years. We have this part, and we can start with the bottom part, and we do the fillets last. And it just we can close that. We create a new design, and I will check the drawings in the left tab. We need 180 times 70. And we click this, create sketch. We can do it at the bottom, the top plane. And we start with Origo. And we can enter the dimension directly and then change with tab. This is the bottom part. We go to the drawings and see the thickness. We have 20. Then we extrude, distance 20, and I will show the Origo. The first step is finished. We go to the drawings and we can create this, the upper part. We will have 70, and then we have 50. Then we have a bow, arc. So we take this part and create a sketch. Then we should have the middle. We can take the line and get a construction line upwards. And escape, and the X button. Then we have a construction line, and D button. And we should have 70. Then we can create our lines. I don't know what's simplest here. I think we can we just draw it and use the auto constraint, hold down, and we get the arc. And use the auto constraint and continue down and escape. Then we have the side here. We have to see if we got the correct dimension. It should be, we can set the dimension here. It's not correct, it should be 25. And that's why we should have a line down here too, like that. I think it should be correct. And we can take a line, the L bottom, and draw it straight, and we see an construction line. And this point here is not correct because we have not in the middle, so it's easiest to set a dimension here. It should be 25. We are done, I guess. We set a constraint these two and coincidence. Now we have it's black, it's fully defined. And we take finish sketch and we check the drawings. It should be inwards. It should be also 20. We select the part and extrude. Take the arrow and -20. Then we should have a hole. We should have a fillet, but we have the main construction here. We can create the hole. It should be 24. It's easy. We could have done the hole before, but yeah, we do it now. We create a sketch and a circle and just use the auto constraint 24 and finish sketch, extrude, and I think we take the arrow and not have distance. We have all. It's better tactic. There we have the hole. Then we check the drawings. We should have, let's see here, we should have two holes, 120 and 20, 28.5. We can take the 20. We create a sketch. And we can take create the hole and we dimension it, the D bottom 20, and we see here we should have from the part and that we can just dimension the D bottom. .5, and then we should have some kind of math here. 30 from the corner. We have a D bottom 30, and then it's black then it's finished, and we take extrude, switch direction, and we should have through all. Then we have the symmetry. Then we can use mirror. See, mirror, mirror, mirror. We have mirror here. Or we can take future. And we take that whole. Or we have to cancel it. We have to have a mirror plane first. So we go to construction, mid plane. Then we select this side and this side. Then we get a mirror plane in the middle. Okay, now we go to create mirror, and we select future, and we select the future, the whole, and we select the mirror plane, and okay. Now we have done the both of the whole. We should have a cutout at the bottom. So I create a new sketch. We check the drawings, symmetry, and we will have 90 and 10. We can create a symmetry line and the X bottom symmetry. And zoom in. It cannot be correct. And we have a line at the bottom too. I must check the drawings again. Oh, it should be 10. It should be 10. Okay, we set the dimension from a construction line to the side. I take the dimension. It should be 45. And we should have 45 to this part too, but that's not good. We take it away. We dimension this and this 90, and we should have 10 here. Dimension the D bottom and the side 10. Then it's black. Finish sketch. Extrude. And draw the arrow so we get the correct direction. All. Cut. Now we have made pretty much everything without except fillets. We should have fillets 5, and we should have 18. We can start with 5. It's quite simple with fillets. The F button and hold down Control. We select 2 and we should have 5. Okay. And then we should have fillet, the F button, Control, 18. Then we should have fillets. Here we should have 7. The F button and hold down Control. So we pick both of them and 7 millimeters. And we should have fillets down here at the bottom. We see the correct dimension. We have, it's missing in the drawings, but I can guess it is maybe 5, I guess. We take 5 and we take the F button, select the edge and the Control button, select the other edge and take 5. We are done. So this beginner tutorial shows you how to do this beginner part. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.